Bonterra's assets are unique and invaluable. These includes over 3 million ounces of gold resource, an operational mill with a throughput of 800 tons per day, which is currently being permitted for an expansion to 1,800 tons per day, and an extensive land package exceeding 38,000 hectares. These assets, situated within the prime jurisdiction of the Abitibi Greenstone belt, are crucial components of our strategy to enhance shareholder value. Bonterra is a unique exploration company boasting high-quality infrastructure such as a processing plant, an assay lab, 3 camps, and a sizable portfolio of properties. Our substantial gold resources is strategically located in a promising region, with our deposit remaining open at depth and along strike. This means the potential for increased gold resources is significant, and our camp remain underexplored. At Bonterra, we're currently refocusing on regional exploration. Our goal is to increase mineral resources at our Barry and Gladiator sites, while also discovering new deposits within our Urban Barry and Bachelor properties. Recently, we completed a drill program at the Duke property, carried out in partnership with our GV collaborator, Osisko Mining. The strategic importance of this project is magnified by the proximity of the upcoming Windfall Mine Complex, which will incorporate a mill. As we approach the year end, we are in the process of formulating a program specifically aimed at targeting high-grade intersections and expanding our resources at depth. Bonterra is strategically focused on obtaining permits for an 1,800 tons per day hub-and-spoke operation. We anticipate securing these permits by late 2023. This mill expansion is projected to increase our production capacity by over 100%, significantly boosting our operational output, reducing operating costs, and enhancing our revenue potential. This will enable us to quickly ramp up production in response to favorable market conditions. Moreover, the mill enhances the economic appeal of our project by facilitating the development. Our ongoing mission is to consistently develop and progress our projects toward production. I bring to the table a wealth of experience in this domain, an aspect of my career that I enjoyed the most. During my tenure at St. Andrew Goldfields, I successfully facilitated the opening of 4 underground and 1 open pit mine, with a concentrated emphasis on exploration success, effective execution, and production optimization. The recent entrance of Goldfields, a world-class gold producer, into the Urban Barry camp, which is just a few kilometers away from our properties, significantly enhances the value of our properties. This is largely due to the construction of major infrastructure like a hydroelectric power line, a mill representing $1.2 billion investment in close proximity to our deposits. In our view, this is an optimal time for shareholders to invest in Bonterra. Our current market cap is significantly lower than the company's value. Given our extensive infrastructures, properties, and resources, the risk to investors is very low. I would like to thank you very much for your attention today, and please stay tuned on Bonterra's news. Thank you very much.